Hello viewers and welcome to Noble Tech. On today's video I'll be taking a look at the BLEShark Nano by InfiShark. Jumping over to a quick unboxing of the BLEShark Nano, we can see that it comes in a beautiful little black box here with the InfiShark logo on top. On the side we've got BLEShark Nano wireless multi-tool device and the shark. And then on the bottom we've got a stylized logo of the device itself. It looks pretty cool. And then opening up the box, we are presented with a setup guide. The setup guide has instructions for powering on, getting started, updating, charging, and troubleshooting. Going back to the box, we are presented with the main attraction, the BLEShark Nano. And I like how the box looks on the inside. One thing I didn't show in the unboxing was the cool little sticker that you get in the box. I've already used it and it's on my little wall of stickers I'll show you on screen now, along with all the other cool stickers that I've been collecting over the past year. Taking a look at the device itself, it's quite sleek and it's quite small. It's got 3 buttons, infrared transmitter, details of the device, infrared receiver, though I could have those two the wrong way around. And we also have another little box here that matches the style of the device for the silicone case. And inside, we have a silicone case of the device. And then putting it inside the case, it's a nice fit. The BLEShark Nano also comes with a little USB-C to USB-A cable. The BLEShark Nano is a pocket-sized wireless penetration testing and debugging tool built around the Seed Studio Xiao ESP32C3 microcontroller. Forgive the pronunciation there. It targets Bluetooth Low Energy and Wi-Fi experimentation, offering a mix of offensive, diagnostic, and utility features. Its firmware is proprietary but actively developed, with ongoing updates, accessories, and community feedback shaping its evolution. Looking at the hardware of the BLEShark Nano, as I said earlier, it has a Seed Studio Xiao ESP32C3, which is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capable. The ESP32C3 uses low-power RISC-V architecture. The display is a 0.66-inch OLED screen. It's compact but readable. The screen is used for the menus and interacting with the device. For the form factor, it is ultra small and pocket friendly. It's designed for an everyday carry. And also, we have the optional silicone case and interchangeable shells are available. Also to note, I think the 3D print files or the STL files are available to download so you can print a case for yourself. For the buttons, we have 3 buttons, left, right, and enter. And if you hold down, you can exit. The BLEShark Nano includes a suite of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi focused utilities. If we look under Bluetooth, we can see that we have Spam All, Android, iOS, Windows, and Exit. To demonstrate the Bluetooth capabilities of the BLEShark Nano, first we're going to go into Bluetooth, and then we're going to select Android. Now bringing over the Android device, immediately we're getting results. A wearable device has been found. We close, and it's immediately back. And this will keep going. And that is Android Bluetooth spamming. Now please bear in mind your local laws and make sure to only do these kind of tests on devices that you have permission to do so. Under Wi-Fi, we have captive portal, spam access points, DAuth or deauthentication, DAuth checker, this checks whether someone is deauthenticating you, evil access point, and exit. We also have infrared, so under infrared we have TV be gone, infrared remote, learn a new remote, transmit commands, and then on to exit. We also have bad Bluetooth. Under here we have custom scripts, general scripts, funny prank scripts, and Android scripts, as well as dangerous scripts, and then exit. We also have a list of games here, including Flappy, Invaders, Pong, Breakout, and Treks, as well as Racing, which is a little car racing game, and then exit. Before I do that, I'll just go to Flappy, and then we press start. I'm not very good at this. And then to exit, we just hold the button down. So we exit there. And then next we have apps. So under here we have keypad. This is for macros and shortcuts to control your computer. Text viewer to view text files. A scroller to scroll on something like TikTok or YouTube. and monitor to monitor your PC, so like specs, temperature of stuff, FPS maybe. And then we have timer, which is just a simple timer. And stopwatch, which is a simple stopwatch. And then we have exit. And then last but not least, we have settings. So we have dimness. You can update the firmware. And we have settings, but if you click on this one, it tells you to connect to the BLEShark's Wi-Fi, so control it from the computer. So we can exit that by holding down the button. And we also have device information and view storage, as well as battery information. You can see 87% battery, estimated time left 5 hours. And that's a list of the features for the BLEShark Nano. Now also keep in mind that there'll be more updates coming soon, and eventually I hear that they'll be making the firmware open source, so that means more and more people will be able to add apps to this device. The BLEShark Nano is so small that it's very easy to carry around every day, and I'm very much looking forward to see what they do with the updates and how this firmware evolves. The strengths of the BLEShark Nano are that it's extremely compact, it's smaller than most Wi-Fi and Bluetooth tools. It's also affordable, with pricing currently around $45. It's versatile, it's got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and bad BT, utilities and games. It's actively supported with firmware updates to come, and it has a very nice little OLED screen that's quite easy to read even though it's so small. Now on the other side of that, the proprietary firmware could limit things, but I hear that they will be opening up the firmware at some point in the future. It may not be as powerful as full-size tools like the LilyGo T-Embed, the Banshee and the Marauder V7. But the feature set is still evolving. In my opinion, the BLEShark Nano is ideal for makers and hackers wanting a tiny Bluetooth and Wi-Fi gadget, and anyone who enjoys ESP32-based toys with real utility. So my final verdict. The InfiShark BLEShark Nano is a fun, capable and surprisingly powerful micro tool for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi experimentation. It's a blend of practical features such as Bluetooth spam, Wi-Fi manipulation and bad BT, and playful extras such as games, keypad and timers. This makes it a standout in the growing world of pocket-sized hacker gadgets. It's not perfect. The proprietary firmware and small screen limit its depth. But for the price and the size, it delivers excellent value and a unique feature set. Thank you for watching. I've been Og, and this has been Noble Tech. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more, hit subscribe. And if you want to get notified in a more effective way, hit the bell button. Until next time, stay curious.